So we soak them chickpeas real good. Go ahead and put them in the pot. Let them cook for an hour and a half, 2 hours until they tender. Right here you got your curry sauce, you got your onions, your peppers, your coconut milk, your seasonings. You go ahead on and saute it, add a little water to it, a little ginger, a little coriander, a little water to it. You want to throw it in the blender, so you want to chop up your onions and your peppers, get them real smooth a little bit, just like that. Throw them back in your skillet, get a little stir. Get you some chickpea flour now. You can season it if you want to. Throw it in there, get a little stir. It's gonna get thick like that, so add a little more water now. A little more water to smoothen it out. Get it a little thin for you. That's your curry. That's your chickpeas. And you go ahead on and you cook. Ooh, look at that chickpea curry. Now watch this. Look at that. Look at that.